So now here, in that respect, various different religious traditions have special role. So I'm very, very happy now here. Seems some one Jews I noticed using that hat, and then this Uzbekistan. I think Muslim tradition, isn't it? Or your native tradition. Okay. So perhaps some Muslim. Oh, this is you Jew, Rabbi. There's some, of course, is Christian, some Catholic, Protestant. So, yes. So, all these major religious traditions, in spite different philosophical view. In philosophical field, basically two categories: theistic religion, non-theistic religion. Big differences. But all teachings, all sort of faith, emphasis importance of love, compassion, with that forgiveness, tolerance, self-discipline, contentment. I have a lot of sort of friends among Christian, among Muslim, among Hindu, among Jews, a lot of friends, genuine practitioners. So we have same sort of practice, so same potential to transform human being, human negative mind, transform into more positive mind. So here, when we talk about inner value, moral ethics, various religious traditions have very special role. Now here, I want to share one thing. Religious belief, faith, very important. But now here, we must make this distinction. Faith, one truth, one religion, and several truth, several religions. In terms of individual, one truth, one religion is very relevant. But in the terms of the society, several truth, several religion is very relevant. So now, how to sort of overcome this contradiction? As I mentioned, in terms of individual practitioner, concept of one truth, one religion, very important. In the terms of society or community, even now modern society, even a family, there could be a different faith. So therefore, in the terms of the group of people, the several truth, several religion is very relevant. Another thing, one time in Argentina, we have, you see, one meeting, some scientist, some religious leader. The one scientist, one physicist, you see, he mentioned, he is a physicist, but he should not develop attachment towards his own scientific field. I think that's very great. I'm Buddhist, but I should not develop attachment towards Buddhism. Because once I develop attachment, that's one kind of emotion that, you see, if you too much attachment towards your own faith, then your mind becomes biased. Then you can't see the value of other traditions. You must be faithful towards your own tradition, but you should have open mind about other tradition. You should look at other tradition openly, objectively. Then you can see the value. So this, I think, nowadays, in the name of religion, sometimes in divisions, even sometimes conflict happen. So that's not because something wrong about the religion, but because the practitioner, the follower of religion, they themselves too much sort of because of the attachment, right? Like that. That I think important. So in any way, religious harmony, my lifelong commitment, I'm very happy. You see, different spiritual brothers, sisters now here. See, we, in spite of different philosophy, different tradition, we all the same practitioner about warm-heartedness. So please carry more sort of effective role regarding promotion of inner value.